Did you know that in 2024, U.S. sales of certified organic products soared to a staggering $71.6 billion? That's a record-breaking figure and a 5.2% increase from the previous year, more than double the growth rate of the overall marketplace. This isn't just a blip, it's a seismic shift in how Americans are choosing to feed themselves and their families. Organic food is no longer a niche trend reserved for health enthusiasts or specialty stores. It's becoming a mainstream choice, driven by a surge in consumer awareness about health and environmental impact. But what exactly is organic food, and why is it enjoying such remarkable popularity? At its core, organic food is produced without synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, genetically modified organisms, or artificial additives. The organic label guarantees certain standards, not only in farming practices, but also in animal welfare and environmental stewardship. As more people prioritize clean eating and sustainable living, organic food is stepping into the spotlight, promising a healthier future for both people and the planet. However, with its rise in popularity comes a swirl of misconceptions and debates. One of the most persistent myths is that organic food is simply too expensive to be worth the investment. It's true. Organic products typically carry a premium, averaging about 47% more than their conventional counterparts. That price difference can seem daunting, especially for families on a budget. Critics often argue that the benefits don't justify the cost, painting organic choices as a luxury rather than a necessity. Yet, the story doesn't end there. Another common misconception is that the health benefits of organic foods are negligible, or perhaps even overstated. Some claim that there's little difference between organic and non-organic produce, aside from the label and the price tag. But recent research and market trends tell a different story, one that challenges conventional wisdom and offers compelling reasons to reconsider what's on your plate. So, which organic foods actually make sense to buy? Let's delve into the specifics, starting with the stars of the organic produce section, berries. In 2024, organic berries led produce sales with a remarkable 10.3% increase. But it's not just about popularity, it's about the value these foods offer. Organic berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are known for their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, supporting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. What sets organic berries apart is that they often contain higher levels of these beneficial compounds compared to conventionally grown berries. In addition, organic berries typically have fewer pesticide residues, a significant consideration given that berries are among the most pesticide-laden fruits when grown conventionally. Next up are organic dairy products, which saw a 7.7% increase in sales in 2024, reaching $8.5 billion. This surge reflects a growing desire for cleaner, more natural sources of essential nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamin D. Organic dairy comes from animals raised without the routine use of antibiotics or synthetic growth hormones, and their feed is free from genetically modified ingredients. For many consumers, this translates to peace of mind, not just in terms of animal welfare, but also in the quality and safety of the food they bring home. Studies suggest that organic milk often contains higher levels of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, further enhancing its nutritional profile. But the value of organic foods doesn't stop at berries and dairy. Certain vegetables, especially those that tend to absorb more pesticides, such as spinach, kale, and bell peppers, are also worth considering in their organic form. These vegetables are staples for health-conscious eaters, and choosing organic can reduce your exposure to potentially harmful chemicals. When it comes to foods you eat frequently and in large quantities, opting for organic can make a meaningful difference over time. Now, let's turn to some of the most compelling findings that challenge common beliefs about organic food. First, while it's true that organic options come with a higher price tag, many consumers are finding that the investment pays off in tangible ways. Organic produce is consistently linked to lower pesticide residues, which can contribute to better long-term health outcomes, especially for vulnerable populations like children and pregnant women. Moreover, the environmental benefits of organic farming, such as improved soil health, reduced pollution, and greater biodiversity, are increasingly important to consumers who want their food choices to reflect their values. Another surprising truth is that the growth in organic food sales is not just about health. It's also about taste and freshness. Many people report that organic fruits and vegetables simply taste better, with richer flavors and more vibrant colors. This isn't just anecdotal. Studies have shown that organic produce often has higher concentrations of certain nutrients and phytochemicals, enhancing both its nutritional value and sensory appeal. Perhaps the most significant revelation is that the organic sector's rapid growth is outpacing the general food market. This indicates a broader shift in how people think about food, not just as fuel, but as an investment in their well-being and the health of the planet. The fact that U.S. sales of organic products have reached such unprecedented levels suggests that more consumers are willing to pay a premium for foods that align with their priorities, whether that's reducing exposure to chemicals, supporting sustainable agriculture, or simply enjoying fresher, tastier produce. To recap, the organic food marketplace in 2024 is thriving, with record sales and accelerating growth. Despite higher costs, consumers are increasingly choosing organic options for their health benefits, reduced pesticide exposure, and environmental impact. Berries and dairy products stand out as particularly valuable choices, offering enhanced nutrition and cleaner ingredients. The misconceptions about organic food, namely that it's too expensive or not significantly healthier, are being challenged by new data and shifting consumer attitudes. If you're considering making the switch to organic, start with the foods you eat most often and those prone to pesticide residues. Look for organic berries, dairy, and leafy greens to maximize your investment in both health and taste. As the organic sector continues to grow, it's clear that these choices are resonating with more people than ever before. For more insights into the world of organic food, health trends, and sustainable living, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay informed, make empowered choices, and join a community dedicated to better food for a better future.